everybody. Coming to you live from the front seat of the Amarok because didn't bring I got torches and stuff, but this is probably the best light to actually do an introduction rather than getting out in the dark. It's just gone almost up past 8. So it's pretty dark outside. Just popped out for a bit of a poke around a local joint. For those following along, I come out here pretty regularly. Last time I was here, I only saw a few rabbits, I think 5 or so. It was pretty warm that time. I think it was like 32 degrees during the day. Popped out tonight. It's been pretty cool around in these parts today. Massive big thunderstorm last night. Supposed to be cool tomorrow as well, but I think it's around about 13 degrees outside at the moment, so hoping that more rabbits will be out to play, so to speak, tonight. So we'll get out and about, get amongst it and see what we can find. Hopefully there's a bit of things floating around. So I'll just get kitted up and get into it. I bought the FX Streamline 25 cal, the classic one, synthetic stock. That's topped with the Infrared TH50. I've got a Hick Micro LH19 monocular. I'll be running that tonight. That's about it. Everything you need to know anyway. Anyway, I will get kitted up and we'll get out and see what's poking around. See if we can poke something back with some authority. Anyway, check back in a bit. Cheers. Might be stretching the friendship. Let's see how this goes. Didn't miss him by much. Step right. Didn't miss him at all. Alright. Well, that's 1 hour in. And the only 2 rabbits I've seen. Did see a fox though. Unfortunately, he was just a bit too far to be, he had to be at least 90 metres. Anyway. We're going to have a look at this one, see if I can find the other one. I've got cows going off in the background. Great ambience. Anyway, let's have a look. Alright. The one and only rabbit for the night so far. Very slim pickings. Quite a bit smaller than I was expecting. Really only a kitten. Well, a bit bigger than a kitten, but still. Anyway, what do I say? Aim small, miss small. Clocked him through the head, so there's a bit of claret coming out of his ear, hence the red light. His other mate skipped off into the bush. Anyway, we'll see if there's anything else poking around, and I'm not seeing much else. I might call it quits for the night. Anyway, check back in a bit. Alright, well there we have it. a relatively uneventful evening. Saw a total sum of 2 rabbits. Shot one. I must have given the other one a close shave across the top of the head, or at least a bit of a scare. Didn't get him. Saw, pretty sure, just the one fox. Spotted him tracking around over the back of the dam. I'm pretty sure that was him that did a loop round and came back down the other side of the paddock. Closest he got was about 90 yards, maybe a bit more, maybe 100 metres. I'll have to do a bit of Google mapping tomorrow and just check it out and see, but yeah, it was a bit too far for the air rifle. I know to hit it, but doubt that it would kill it cleanly, so let him run for another day. Hopefully I'll catch him next time. Slightly disappointed he didn't want to come to the whistle, so either I'm not blowing it the right way or he was just focused on something else. Either way, it is what it is. Anyway, we'll call it. I'll check in with you next time. Hopefully. Good evening, everybody. Well, I've popped back down the road again tonight, so I'm going to back this one up against the little action that I recorded last night. I'm actually not too far from where I was last night. This is actually a smaller block, like quite significantly smaller. I haven't been here since before Christmas. Property owner got onto a baiting program that the LLS were running in the area, so they threw some baits out, and by all accounts it put the brakes on the population for a little bit, but I gave them a quick message this afternoon just to see how the baiting stuff had gone, and apparently the rabbits are back. First one down for the evening, and the little one, which probably stands to reason given they baited this joint 8-9 weeks back, so we'll see what's getting around, but I'm on the board with one, which is same as what I got last night, so anything is possible from here. We'll see how we go. I'll check back in a bit. Cheers. Alright, this could be a fair bit of wishful thinking here. Aim for his head, if he sits still long enough. Try and thread it through that netting. I think he's close to 70 odd yards. Have to be fair close to that. Let's see how we go. Ah, damn it. Oof. So close. That netting hadn't been there. Could have been a different story. Alright. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to go with a small little kitten. Probably about 60 yards. So just aim for the top of the head. See how it goes. Oof. Alright, aim for the head. Seriously? Now we're pushing the friendship. That's just ridiculous. Well, there we go everyone. That's a wrap for another evening. Not as exciting or as action-packed as we were led to believe. Clearly the baiting program has worked pretty well. In saying that, I saw 8 rabbits tonight. I don't know what the owner is seeing during the day. Could be a very different story. Everything I saw looked pretty small, so looks like the older ones were knocked around quite a bit. Anyway, 3 of the evening, can't be sneezed at. I'll add this to the footage from last night, bundle it all together. But yeah, that's it for me. Cheers for watching. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying it. Comment if you have any questions, or just comment. Any comment's good. Yeah, I will catch you on the flip side. Cheers.